Nomly now has a custom season pass. It lets you sell a pass that ends when your season does, instead of one that expires 12 weeks after each contact happened to pay. Here is how it works and how to set one up. Here is the problem it solves. A normal session pass counts forward from each contact's own billing start date. So, 3 parents buy the very same 9-week season in 3 different weeks and end up with 3 different expiry dates. None of them line up with the season you are actually running. A custom season pass pulls apart 3 dates that used to be one. The season start date is when session credits appear. The season end date is when they expire. Those 2 are the same for everybody who buys the season. The billing start date is separate, and you set it per contact. That means you can take payment today for a season that opens in 10 days, and the credits still appear on the season's first day. Now, where the money lands. You choose 1 payment or 2. Where those payments fall depends on your studio's existing billing in advance or arrears setting. If you bill in advance and choose a single payment, the whole season price is charged on the billing start date before the season even opens. Choose 2 payments instead, and it is half on the billing start date and half at the season's halfway point, which normally works out from the season dates for you. If your studio bills in arrears, it is the mirror image. A single payment charges the full price at the end of the season. 2 payments charge half at the halfway point and half at the end. One thing worth being clear about: the price you type is the price of the whole season. On a 2-payment season, Nomly splits it for you. A $450 season bills as $225 twice. It does not charge $450 twice. And where the split leaves an odd cent, that cent goes on the first payment. To set one up, go to Settings, Billing Settings, Program Subscriptions, and add a new one. The moment you set the type to Custom Season Pass, the form changes. Billing frequency and number of billing cycles disappear because a season does not run on a frequency. In their place, you get season start date, season end date, and payment schedule. Save it, and those 3 fields lock. That is deliberate. People will have bought the season, and moving the dates now would quietly move everyone's credits with them. Everything else stays editable: the name, the price, the description, the session types. When you need next season, use Clone. The copy opens with everything filled in and the dates editable again, so you change the 2 dates and save. Your old season keeps its own buyers and its own history. Selling it to a contact is the familiar flow. Add the program subscription from their billing tab. The season and the payment schedule are shown read-only because they belong to the pass, not to this contact. The one date you do choose is the billing start date, which is simply whenever they are paying. What you collect at checkout is the first installment, not the whole season. 2 things Nomly handles on its own. A season can be bought right up to its last day, so the parent who turns up in week 6 still gets the credits for the days that remain. And the day after the season ends, the pass archives itself and its public page stops selling, so nobody sells last season by accident. Contacts who already bought are untouched. So, in short, type the real season dates. Credits appear on the season start and expire after the season end. Bill whenever suits you in 1 payment or 2. The dates lock on save, and you copy the pass to open next season. You will find it under Settings, Billing Settings, Program Subscriptions.